The Lexus UX can count on a nice update for 2024. One of the brand's best-selling models in Europe will soon get even more power from the hybrid electric powertrain and can also count on even more sophistication in terms of comfort, convenience, and appearance. More system power. The most important development is that the hybrid electric UX250H will be replaced by the new UX300H. Like the UX250H, the UX300H is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine. However, the new UX300H features a higher total power of 146 kilowatt, 199 horsepower, an 8% increase compared to the 135 kilowatt, 184 horsepower of the UX250H. This is partly due to a new battery. The result is a faster acceleration time of 0 to 100 kilometers per hour from 8.5 to 8.1 seconds for the front-wheel drive UX and from 8.7 to 7.9 seconds for the four-wheel drive version. E4 four-wheel drive, now more powerful. The Lexus UX models that come with four-wheel drive feature more than 5 times more powerful electric motors on the rear axle. Instead of the UX250H's 5.3 kilowatt 7 horsepower induction motor, there is now a 30 kilowatt 41 horsepower permanent magnetic motor. This sharpens the gas response and provides even more driving pleasure. In addition, the four-wheel drive helps to limit the overslope of the body while taking sharp turns. Furthermore, the car is more stable when braking hard and can accelerate the car more powerfully and with more control. Lower consumption. Fuel consumption has also improved, thanks to a more efficient powertrain and weight reduction, up to 4.75 liters per 100 kilometers in the combined WLTP cycle for the front-wheel drive model and up to 5 to 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers for the four-wheel drive model. This is a 12% improvement over the previous model. More comfort and convenience. In addition to improvements to the powertrain, the new UX300H can count on sophistication and comfort. For example, the standard 8-inch multimedia touchscreen has been renewed, but optionally, a new 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster can also be chosen. The appearance of this can be fully adapted to the personal preferences of the driver. Furthermore, 2 more features have been added to the latest version of Lexus Safety System Plus. Proactive driving assist that recognizes hazards at low speed and safe exit assist for safer exiting. The digital key on the smartphone completes the package. New color schemes. For the exterior of the UXA, new color, Sonic Copper, is available for all model versions. For the F Sport Design and F Sportline models, there is an additional variation on the Bitone color scheme, Bitone Plus. In addition, the contrasting roof now runs from the A step to the C step, and the end of the rear window is now optically connected to the rear door line. Customers can now also choose a new interior color, Ammonite Sand. In addition, there is the option to opt for a leather-free interior package with fabric or vegan leather seats and with artificial leather for the heated steering wheel and the gear lever knob. Available from Q2 2024. With the addition of the new UX300H, Lexus has a very complete range of modern SUVs and crossovers. In all popular segments, from the B segment with the new Lexus LBX to the E segment with the well-known Lexus RX, Lexus is well represented with electrified models. The range now consists of the LBX, the UX, the NX, the battery electric RZ, and the RX. The new UX300H will be available from the second quarter of 2024.